Your past doesn't define you, it trains you. But too many people keep reliving it, using it as a reason for why they can't move forward. Listen, your past isn't your prison. It's your blueprint for what not to repeat. Every scar, every mistake, every heartbreak, they're not anchors meant to hold you down. They're data, lessons, warnings. But instead of decoding them, you keep replaying them. You let your history become your identity. And the longer you hold on to it, the heavier it gets. So here's the
The
truth.
truth.
You don't owe your past an apology. You owe your future your focus. Because the version of you that's waiting to be built doesn't care what you've been through. It only cares what you're willing to do now. Stop saying, I can't because of what happened. Start saying, I will because of what happened. That's how you flip pain into power. That's how you stop using your story as an excuse and start using it as evidence. You're not broken, you're becoming. So stop blaming your past and start building your future, because nobody ever built something great by standing in the rubble of what once was. Watch the other Beyond Doubt episodes. They'll help you rebuild from the inside out. And remember, Beyond Doubt, built, not wished.